Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is compound interest. So read this question very carefully and see here on the blackboard, whiteboard. Today question is find the compound interest. Find the compound interest 1 Rs 625 at 4% per annum for 2 years. So see here, principal is given 625 and rate of interest given 4%. Time duration is 2 years. We need what is compound interest, not simple interest, compound interest. So principal is 625, rate of interest is 4% and time duration is 2 years. So 625 is principal, so keep here like this. We need for 2 years. Time duration is given 2 years, right? 1 year, 2 years. So draw 2 lines for 1 year and for 2 years. Rate of interest is 4%. 4% we can write as 4 by 100. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 25 ja 100. So we can write as here 1 by 25. So if we divide 1 by 25 of 625 will be 25 into 25 is a 625. So first interest is 25 because here 625 into 125. So 25 to the 50, 25 to the 50, remaining is 2, right? 12. So 12 125 will be, so 25 5 ja 125. So our rate of interest is for 1 year 25. Second will be same. Now 25 interest. So compound interest is interest on interest, right? So 25 into 125 cancel. So will be 1. So here this area is total your compound interest and this area is simple interest. 25 is 50 and 1. So total area is 51. So compound interest is equal to 51, right? Move to question number 2. Question number 2 is find the compound interest 1 Rs 5000 at 20% per annum for 1.5 years, compound half yearly, right? So find the compound interest 1 Rs 5000 means principal is given 5000. Principal is equal to 5000. Rate of interest is 20% PA per annum, right? And time duration is 1.5 years. And this is given half yearly. Half yearly will be percent. Half yearly means 6 months and 6 months. So 20 divided 2 will be 10%. And in 1.5 years comes 6 months, 3 6 months comes. So will be number of months each 3, right? Now this question is solved. So 5000 is principal 1 2 and 4 3 because number of years is 3. So it is comes 10%. So also 10% and 10%. 5000 of 10% will be 500. Second same, and third will be same. So compound interest is percent on percent, right? So 10% of 500 will be 50. Another year will be 50. Now 50 of 10% will be just a 5. So total this will be your compound interest, right? 500 will be 1500. 50 plus 50 will be 100, right? And 5. So total compound interest is 5061. So compound interest is CI is equal to 1605. If they ask what is amount, so amount equal to principal plus CI. So principal is 5000 plus CI is 1605. So total will be 5, 0, 6 and 6. So this is the amount, total amount, right? So move to question number 3. Find the compound interest on Rs 6000 at 20% per annum for 6 months. Compounded quarterly. Read again this question. Find the compound interest on Rs 6000 at 20% per annum for 6 months. Compounded is quarterly. So principal is given 6000, right? Rate of interest is given 20%, and time is per 6 month means, and compound is quarterly. So quarterly means 12 by 3 will be 4. So divide by 4 here will be 5%, right? So 6 months. So total will be 4 months. Time duration is 6 into 2 will be 4, because quarterly 4, so will be 2 years. So just a previous question, 1 year for 2 years and here given is only 2 years, right? So 1 and 2. So 5% will be 300, and another year comes simple interest. So compound interest is interest on interest. So 30, 15. So will be 15 of 5%. This is comes 5%, right? So total will be or compound interest. So 300 plus 300 will be 600 plus 15 will be 615. So CI is equal to 615. Total amount will be 6000 plus 600. So 6615, right? Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thanks.